Yate, Nandish, English, and all that's going to go on just for English or I don't the Ayad, big ever tail or Yen Aya, Bahanegid, I don't Shaya, Aninki, I think was the scene that Leatricia Bennett, Leatricia Bennett Cowboy, Asian Indisi, I call Ado Aya, top my hinge long, this cheap, Bash's chin, Kia, Annie, dash a chain door, Mr. Dash another. Charchana Asian, here dash chain door, Adon de Abig, Abate, Donas, Ade, Isi, Ade, Cheshike, Adon de Nana Sate, Gloria Jacqueline, Ade, Kaby, Echo, Ado, Dide, Beg, Etkele, Hatniki, Hazaniki, McKinley County, though Eastern Navajo be Zogi, Aja, Kayasa, Akudi, Kaya, Benacha, Inasala, Neniki Judani, but a Condon Hitcher, Shanada Karen Hitchana, Kaya, Ibehuna, Ahana, Dahalo, though Harishi, Kaya, Nakandasia, Harishi. Begin the Nakanda Yisia, Jot Ahut Ava, Ande, Hajine, Hane, Nati, Kijo Hashim Saway, Le Nehalkai, the Ade, Zelhada Delia, Hatno, Bahane, Kijo Ebetanti, Aqua, Kaya, Lenki, Bikinita, Comic Season, Ebenachat, so the Zen Din Lenny, Cat Ade, Don Lenny, his seat Argent, Lenny, Jo Ebic, Aya, Kaya, Lengi, Aya, Bahanids and Don Hahans and Shamana has done the Ado Yadish Hadi, no, Ako Betrai Eneta, Ako Ebut Eneta, Aya, Hebenach Adekins and Kon Yajani, Glen, Tuni, Gledi, no, a cavity, Behazid, Jo ek abel nastadi the Adona, Itlenigi, Aqua Egid, Ado, Shamana Hasandi, no Kadine, Ado Zel Kabedine, Achet Nazla, Bakampa Ali, the Halom, Jo Hot his was and dog, but Ebina and Timba. Kodo Hashim, so but Yahe, not Tinigi, Shadow, Shelbawas and Nokojan, Old Hajati Yan, the Yego Econ Behishtahi now, Hashim Sabo put our Ebik Handle, Ako, Anle Jo Gargo, Anle Chanjani Ronash Jo Gargo, Jo in Nana Huntin Hella, in Nahaki Hashim that Nits'áá Yahe, Arts from the Boho, Hazard Yego, but Luligo. Josh Argo, a Yajatio, a Janji Sinde, a Jean put in the com, Yahe, Hashim so Ahane, Bodela, Jot Ahana, Ahut Egon, the Nayan, each Hatzi, had no Bahane, John Lady, Hanet and Tigi, Akodi, Gibadahamusen, Dukigo Shinda is an aunt, Shachandamafe. Joshek, I could enash Tiho, Yahe, Nansos in the Jedi Yalo, but our Hajo, Nansosi, that is soft correlation song, Shalchan at Ultrabia Hadikai, go Shalchan at that if Hadon sauce that the Yord sauce, she came the Yahe, Shahaskin, but Abanan sauce, the Yord sauce, a crochet of Nani Zinico. But Yahe, Nature, Mehasti, the Dika, Nantin Savaki, the neck college, Naniki, Yego with Zilo, Nantingo, but Hadet Ela, Yego Bada Hosnia, Balthaita, Mashenigi, Bada Noche. Hajob answered our case on Handa, Hala Niche, this in the never washing dawn, Niche, this in the never washing dawn, Kodo. Had all the neck college, Nahahadot Zilla, Jo Johnson, Jo A.D. Giko, Ani, President Nature Hadzi, Dinasi Gato, Khaled Aldik, futuristic, Nenkishi Aheshme. How are we going to make those changes and to work with our youth? No, Sheen, Akonde, Hanegi, she Edel Hawadon Nila. the basic teachings of relationship and all that it entails that probably cannot change. Open saw ever the Stevenson. A codicoje aya hebek and what came the Hathathli, Joe lady Kaya. I thought of Tratnas and Lebanons and the Akodi, David had it out each lag, Judy, Tossy yin there, a cock at aya head for hand at then a cock, the what schemes of Johannish the Nihikeyah 725 Hathathli 2020 census Aro and Ahagi 913 42.7 years but not Nihikeyah, that's the median age. Out of 70 plus years Nihizani Don has to a 14%. Apat Nihikeyah ala I think Hido Bengena Atao Yahe but Ashani Daria, Ado, Chika Adishniki Navacado, Shamado Shije, Marie Ellen Do, James Bennett, James Ann Bennett Sr., Joe Yende, Ado Shamasalo Shiche, Elsie Donald, Morgan Joe Yende, Ado Shanada, Eyahe, Hajiba, Joe Yende, Ado John Bennett, Shanada, with his cow. Quite all you assisting, but she gave her on some dances case with Ado Shatiki, Ado Taganas, Ella, Ade, Kehunite, quite a kin that should jado, people once an Ado, the Baba once an Ado, dark, a quite a put Nikifka hot, so Ado le could Nana. Chilaho Aki Aya Quabble Tade, Chilaho Aro Koje Kevenid, Aro Kujigo Eke, Niki Edi Aya, Hetikayo, ya, I could ask when Aya he Bishit Ahano, Ninago, Gishna has Ango, Jokigoshin, which I asked. I would Aya he Aro did that. In our case, the paradigm, the Vedic Aboriginal paradigm that exists in this college, from that you have the concepts of, in our case, Ado, Nits'áá, Inado, Sihasin, and that's kind of incorporated into my collage here, and the directives that were given by the holy people is stated here of how we should care for our land, care for our language. And then we have the people who have contributed to the community through their leadership. Navajo Nation flag, Hathathli. AJ wrote ídahwiil'aah. He's from our community and he's currently the chapter president there. We have our Tratnas Nalabaman. Kwajayahe Sani Dos Tuishamide. Dodoshin Bahajonda. There put Atahna Atleho at the community level. Akota Ayahe Tratnas Nalaja Anaja Dasabdao. Put Alina Nishadelia. We have our community development here, the community school, the fire department, the chapter house, and the resident housing. In all communities, we have pretty much those basics. Here I have pictures of my grandparents. At city do Hathathli, Lodge of Hathathli, Landback, Nihikeyah, Homeland, Nits'áá, the cake at Hathathli, the call, but Ado, Anina, Bahagido, I see a cake, and a hot aunt, Ado Kujeshama Doshija, Ado Kaya, Zogi, Compton has Anigi, Digi Aya, Just out at Nengido got that called as at the adult be have had Aggie a con the Kayakao. Our elevation is 7,000 over 7,000 feet. A Kodid a condit a card that's a ton picture ye a you had gay Nahazon a valley go a called Ado than Kate engaged at but two main, the main highlight, I guess, is Jot Asi Hassan, Eyahe, Iki Ekwa, the NHCC within Zenigi, Jo Inahagi, Jos Biho, Hatsoke, Hanalike, Daholonja, Hawan. Hawan has Agi, Hakondil Kli, Hatwasakari, Jo Kwagisala, Ebits Ando Ina, but it's Adonji, that's Eolia, but Aqua but so the Ziniki, you see, Ebits Ando, but enough that I owe Dayna, and Hizani Dog has tweet, Aqua Did, Nits'áá Yolia has to be. The Kagi, Ado at Nits'áá Chile, Yellow Mesa, Adigi, Jo Benina, Adishne, Qua, what cave the Nahosaki, Quagi Behaza, Akodi, the Aya, Senel, Aqua, Aqua, and Bizanta, Nendo, Skoda, son of a car, Hathal and the evening, Ahot and has tweedon in Hizani at the Ila. Across the Navajo Nation, there are beautiful locations, beautiful sacred sites, beautiful names of our homelands. At Mariana Lake, for example, Nits'áá, Tsaile, Tokeshje, Tsedeshchi, Tseilekei, Chi Sakad, Sabanaz Ado the Billey, Nihikeyah, the Hathathli. We have all these names referencing our environment and all the knowledge that we've gained regarding the epistemology, ontology, all these fancy names that we speak of and that we read about in our literature. We have it here. This is what it is. This is what we have. And if we teach our children these concepts, we have set them up for the future. My grandparents, my great-grandparents, they held the language strong and they prayed so the zenye dano. Eya dishji le kwabe, the nacha anit the nani nenigi, ebanzi case. Ako, we need to really instill the language back into our children's ideals, the concept of life, so that they can continue to grow, because they need to speak the words that were spoken for us so that they can have a future for our grandchildren and to come. A body, nido a body, she would avant this case, Alokon, ídahwiil'aah, Shanalika Consecare, Alokon, Dr. Greyeyes, and the instructors we had, Professor Bluehouse and Ms. Litson and O.J. Vicente. He taught us a lot of these concepts, and through the cohort that we're a part of for the last 2 years. And I would encourage people, young people, to really take a part of this education here at the college. And Dr. Dean Jim, he was also an instructor of ours also. So I appreciate that, and I want to say, yeah,